Are you ready to take the gloves off and get serious about affiliate marketing? Are you tired about being talked into somebody's BS webinar only to get their email address and then you get spammed endlessly? Well, guess what? I'm here to help you, but I don't need your email address. I'm not going to talk you into some foolish little webinar nonsense of, giving you $50,000 worth of value today only for $1,000. It's all BS nonsense snake oil. If you're serious about learning the right way, the only thing I want you to do is go check out my website and engage with me and share with you. I don't need your email. I'm not going to sign you up for anything. I just want you to check out my site. You will see how I learn and thousands of my students have earned. I've been in the online training business since 1995, 23 years. Have I made a lot of mistakes? Oh, hell yeah. But I want to share with you how simple this can be. Point and click. Now, this is not snake oil. This is not get rich quick tomorrow. But if you're tired of basically being lied to about, take my webinar and let me have your email address for a free ebook, it's all nonsense. You've been there. I realize you've been there. Now, you'll notice that there's a timer here. So in 20 seconds from now, I'm gone. I'm out of here. So do yourself a favor, be proactive. Simply go check out my website. That's all I ask you. I have all the tools and everything you need to succeed. Training videos, software tools, working smart the right way. So if you're tired of being chased with snake oil, you're tired of being part of somebody's email marketing nightmare, then click the link and I'm here to help you.